పరిధులు మించి నేర్పించే విలువలు. ఒక్క మాటలో మీ అంచనాలను మించి దూసుకుపోతాం. జిఎంఎస్. సాధారణ టీచింగ్ ని మించి ఇంగ్లీష్ నైపుణ్యంపై ప్రత్యేక శ్రద్ధ. ఒక్క మాటలో మీ అంచనాలను మించి దూసుకుపోతాం. జిఎంఎస్. సిలబస్ హద్దులను మించి ఐఐటి కోచింగ్. ఒక్క మాటలో మీ అంచనాలను మించి దూసుకుపోతాం. జిఎంఎస్. క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఎల్లలు మించి బయట ప్రపంచానికి పరిచయం. మీ అంచనాలను మించి దూసుకుపోతాం. జిఎంఎస్. స్కూల్లో తన చిన్నారిని వదిలి వెళ్తున్న తల్లికి మా మీద అపార విశ్వాసం. ఆ విశ్వాసాన్ని మించి ముందుండేదే జిఎంఎస్. బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ పరిధులు మించి నేర్పించే విలువలు. సాధారణ టీచింగ్ ని మించి ఇంగ్లీష్ నైపుణ్యంపై ప్రత్యేక శ్రద్ధ. ఒక్క మాటలో మీ అంచనాలను మించి దూసుకుపోతాం. మీ అంచనాలకు మించిన ఫలితాలు. జిఎంఎస్. స్కూల్లో తన చిన్నారిని వదిలి వెళ్తున్న తల్లికి మా మీద అపార విశ్వాసం. ఆ విశ్వాసాన్ని మించి ముందుండేదే జిఎంఎస్. బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్ పరిధులు మించి నేర్పించే విలువలు. సిలబస్ హద్దులను మించి ఐఐటి కోచింగ్. ఒక్క మాటలో మీ అంచనాలను మించి దూసుకుపోతాం. మీ అంచనాలకు మించిన ఫలితాలు. జిఎంఎస్.
Not only in studies but in CCA activities. Nagar, Mr. R. Sanjay Kumar, Inspector of Police, Narsingi. Our guests of the evening are Mr. E. Narsimha Reddy, Rajendra Nagar Mandal Congress ex-president. Mr. C. Yattaya, ex-MPTC. Mr. L. Srihari, ex-Sarpanch. Mr. P. S. Malla Reddy, Mr. Janardhan Reddy, Rajendra Nagar TDP president. Mr. P. Krishna Reddy, Mr. P. Mallesh Yadav. I once again welcome you all on this occasion. From intellectual darkness to enlightenment. Before that, I request all the guests to please come onto this dais. Venkat Narayana, Chairman, please come onto the dais, sir.
ball. Hey, yeah, boy. Here. Yeah, turn this side. Sir, excuse me.
Please encourage them.
And boy, look at here. Thank you, sir. And look at here. Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Jaswant Sinha for third class. Everybody give a big round of applause, please. Really very hard to gain this. Next is Yadi. Aditya's parents, will you please be on the stage?
प्रॉब्लम आ जाओ कैसे कलर भी सही नहीं आ रहा ना हमारा मिस भी नहीं आ रहा
Karthik for 5th class, Kirti Reddy for 6th class, Sai Sumant for 7th class, Karthik for 5th class. Next is Kirti Reddy for 6th class. Please be on the stage. Will you please a big round of applause for all the students. A big round of applause for his parents. Next is Monica for 9th class. Big round of applause, parents.
And big round.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So please give away these prizes, please. From the pre-primary section, the child is very contagious. Swarali from UKG.
Yes, ma'am, look at here. Excuse me. Thank you, ma'am.
The well-mannered.
Yes, yes, look at here.
Now we come to the primary section. The one who is punctual to school is Lakshmi. Big round of applause, parents. Krishna Kumar Das, 4th A.
Yes, ma'am, look at here. Yes, look at here. Please, ma'am, look at here. Thank you.
Kundan P. The discipline prize goes to Ramsha 8th class.
To one and all.
Sanjay Kumar sir over here on to encourage our children today. I request Vishwanath Gatre sir to please give away the memento.
On the stage, sir.
दीपक भाई
Ma'am, look at here. Excuse me, sir. Yes, look at here. Thank you.
बच्चों को दे
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, look at here.
Now next handwriting competition. Second prize goes to Ravi Kiran, 5th class.
of applause, please, parents. Anjali, second prize goes to Anjali from Picture Talk, Varun Krishna. Please come on the stage and collect your prize. For Picture Talk, first prize. Then our next category is Picture Talk in Hindi. Again, Anjali from 4th class. Encourage the students, please, parents. A big round of applause. Second prize goes to Umang, 3rd A. Then junior categories, poetry recitation in poetry recitation in English. Ritika Crystal, she got first prize, 3rd class. Second prize goes to Adityan from 4th class. Give a big round of applause for all students. Story writing in English. B. Gayatri, 6th class. First prize. First prize goes to B. Gayatri from 6th class. First prize goes to Prashant from 3rd class. Second prize goes to Shilpa from 3rd class. Picture Talk in Telugu. First prize goes to Sahan Raj from 3rd class. Second prize goes to Jashwant Simha, 4th class. Then junior category. Then junior category B. Shashank from 6th class. A big round of applause. Second prize goes to Sadhana, 7th class. Senior category, Grishma, she goes to Rebecca, 10th class. Rebecca. Second prize goes to Rebecca. Second prize goes to Aishwarya from 6th class. And senior category, first prize goes to Praneet from 9th class. And second prize goes to Sindhu from 9th class. Thank you, sir.
I request you all to please encourage the children with a big round of applause because they have put a lot of effort to win these prizes. We have conducted the various competitions in sub-juniors, juniors and senior categories. Here we go with the essay writing competition in Telugu language. The first prize in sub-juniors goes to R. Varun Reddy of class 5th A. I request second prize goes to Gayatri of 5th A. Second prize goes to CBS Karthik of class 6th. Seniors category, first prize goes to Monica of class 10. Monica of class 10. Second prize goes to Praveen Reddy of class 10. Second goes to Kirti of class 7.
8. In seniors category of class 10.
One second.
Rohita of 5th B got elocution in Telugu sub-juniors category 2nd prize. I request Mr. P.S. Malla Reddy also to come on to the dais, please. Yes, Mr. Vishwanath, sir. Please hand over the moment to Mr. Malla Reddy, sir. I will go to Harshita of class 5th B. Juniors category first prize goes to Shweta of class 6th. Shweta of class 6th. Second prize goes to Gautam of class 7B. Seniors category, the first prize goes to Abdul Rahman of class 10. A big round of applause. To Hafsa of class 5th B. Sehnaz of class 4. Juniors category, the 6th B. Goes to Preeti of class 10. Preeti of seniors category, first prize goes to Monica of class 10. Of class 10 and Salman of class 9 are the winners. Deepak of class 9 and Firdaus of 7. Runner-ups, Deepak of 9th class and Firdaus of 7. Second prize goes to Deshraj of 7A. Seniors category, the first prize Vanaja of class 10. 8. The second prize goes to Rukmini of class 8 and Mahesh of category. The first prize goes to Akhil of 6th B. I request Principal Madam to give away those prizes. Akhil.
Yes, ma'am, look at here.
Essay writing first prize, Preeti of class 10. First prize. Extempore in seniors category, the first prize goes to Shivani of class 9. First prize, Shivani of class 9. Seniors category.
Narana or
Spelling competition in sub-juniors category, first prize goes to Navakant Reddy of 5th B. This goes to Shashank of 5th B. Got second prize. Seniors category, the first prize for spelling competition goes to Jyotsna of class 9. Second prize goes to Harshika of class 9. Various literary competitions were conducted in the school, and the best in rhyme recitation prize goes to Dikshita of class 8, Samuel Jodi of class LKG.
Take it. Hi. Tell everyone to hi. Ma'am, have a look here, ma'am.
Best in handwriting goes to mother of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Recently, we have conducted academic fair in our school, and the best model in academic fair goes to Sadhana of class 7. Best presentation in academic fair goes to Sahiti of class 8. Best performance in the academic fair goes to Rohan Reddy of class 4.
ఇలా ఉంటే మిగతాన్ని పాటలు తొందరగా అయిపోతాయి 5 minutes
The first prize goes to Rebecca of class 10.
డాన్స్ అందరు వచ్చేసిండు కదా డాన్స్ ఉంది కదా ఇంకా ఉంది అదే డాన్స్ డాన్స్ లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ మ్యామ్
चिड़िया बोली चू 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 चिड़िया बोली चू 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 आपस में लड़ते हैं क्यों देते हमको जीने दो जीने दो जीने दो देते हमको जीने दो जीने दो
Cakaraca cica, cakaloram, nando, wando,